guys, samahan niyo po ako for today's video po. It's my day off, so today we're heading to Tagbilaran to buy some groceries. So let's go. My motorbike there, guys. That's I always do every time I go to Tagbilaran. So I know them already, this store. Like yeah. And here's our weather for today. It's beautiful, guys. It's a bit cloudy, but I don't know, it's so hot. So here, waiting for the jeepney. Here's my order, guys. Only rice. So let's eat. So this is what I bought, guys. Oh yeah. Counter. Apartment, guys. So now here's my grocery, guys. So let's have a haul, guys. Okay, guys. So okay, let's unbox. Let's unbox, guys. Let's unbox this. I think I'll show you here. Okay, guys, here you go. Let's unbox. So tissue, guys. Yeah, my favorite for my iced coffee. Some girl stuff, curry paste, and healthy living tayo, guys, ngayon. So ito, my lettuce, guys. Oh my god, my favorite now, guys, broccoli. Another broccoli here, and then some girl stuff. Because sometimes, guys, I crave for pancake. So yes. And then oil with, actually, because I ran out also of soy sauce. So what here? In one. But yeah, because I'm not like using much of soy sauce, so this is just only for like if I need something for this. This one, coconut milk, some milk, for something I wanna make some munchkin later. It's because I have still crushed graham, so I wanna do something for it, so that's why I add this milk. And I saw their guava, guys. Okay. Oh, my favorite orange. Dinalawahan ko na lang talaga. This one. Some potato, guys. And then I've run out of some, like garlic, ginger, tomato for my salad. And then another onions. And then also, guys, I've been like searching for this. I've been like looking for this here, but unfortunately, I don't know why they don't have stock in here, dragon fruit here. And that's why, it's because it's so expensive.
yeah, happy that I saw that in ICM. And in my mail, every time I cook some crepe. I've been obsessed with the crepe now. And then yeah, that's why I bought this one, coconut milk, because I want to do something, some local, vegetable soup. And then chickens, I've run out of meat, so I just, bought chickens. And then pepper. And then also sometimes when I'm craving for, but this one is not perfect right now because it's summer. So maybe like, I need some, maybe sometimes I will need this. The tablia for champurrado. And then, well guys, this. Like everything here guys, I've run out of, some stock. So this one is for what we call this one, tiles. I found, oh my god, I love this. Soap. So this one, my conditioner. Always, this is my conditioner always. Actually, red one is like more, for me. But they don't have stock there, so it's like, it's okay. Same brand. Some, bleach for toilet. And then for the clothes, powder, and then conditioner. And then that's it, guys. Look at this. Ta-da! I have this one, and then this. So okay,